What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer, and we've got a ton of packages here, as you can see, and you can also see that we are in a different location, not the gamer's paradise, but there's gonna be a video on this soon, don't worry. We have Massive Tech unboxing number 21. It's been a while, folks. So of course, grab your snacks, grab your drinks. We got a lot of stuff to open up. Let's do it. Okay, Ari's here, y'all. Go ahead, pick the first one.
Okay, well there was a box I've been staring at for like weeks now. It's the black one back there.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so now I'm going to open up one. I don't know, I got this in my hand, why not? Dang, we're just dropping stuff. So this is the Birdnest Backpack 23 liters. So let's see, this is, I'm always down for some backpacks. Let's see if this one special in any way. Oh, look at this, guys. Look at the materials this is made out of. That's pretty interesting. So this is from a company called Birdnest, the Birdnest. There's like lots of Velcro all over. I'm gonna have to mess around with this and see what it's all about and what kind of features it has. But as of right now, this feels like a really nice backpack. So I'm gonna go for this guy. We're going for like the big boxes first this time around.
That's unlike you.
Dang, we just keep on dropping stuff. A steel suitcase? Okay.
It's a briefcase, right?
Briefcase, yes. All right.
Wow, that's so legit.
It is.
Access granted.
Oh my god.
Okay. That was kind of cool. Are these battery cases for the new iPhones? So this is to go against Apple and their battery case.
Here, you don't mind.
Ah. You got your phone?
My very dirty one, yeah.
So
I'm
this
about to switch this out.
So this is Ari's battery case from Apple. It is white and dirty. This is compatible with the 10S and the regular 10. I wonder if it feels slimmer. Does this feel slimmer to you? This is not my phone, so.
It does.
Yeah? Oh, if this one for the 10R has 2,000 milliamp hours. And let's see what the iPhone 10 one has. This one has 2,000 milliamp hours too. So that is, what, 700 more than the one Apple offers? Oh, 22. So 2,200 for the Max. Nice.
Charge with lightning.
It charges with USB Type-C.
Nice.
That's the only, like, I'm a fan of USB Type-C as a charging connector, but for the iPhone cases, it should just be lightning. Just make it easy. Oh, and it okay. So the way it charges it too, it doesn't charge through the lightning port, it charges wirelessly. So you're getting wireless charging. I'm not sure if that's gonna be as fast as Apple's option. We'd have to compare it, but wireless charging isn't as fast as being plugged in, so. This is cool nonetheless though, and I'm sure it's probably cheaper, maybe. All right, so that's cool. This packaging is A1 though. Oh. Yeah.
Don't you have one of those?
Yes, I do. So they actually sent two to me because I pre-ordered the titanium version. That's what we have right here, folks. Now, titanium version of the red hydrogen took a lot longer to be produced. So everyone who pre-ordered one got the normal one first to make up for it. So we got two phones for the price of one. Let's see it. Boom. Red hydrogen in titanium. Now, I think Marquez said something about this being heavy, and oh, this is a much heavier phone. Wow. Now, this is a phone that you either love it or hate it. Some people weren't thrilled about it. I'm sad that it came so late. All right, take off that. Now, oh, hydrogen, you heard that whisper? So what's special about this phone is that it has this display that gives off a 3D effect. I forget what it's called, but you know, they're bringing 3D back so that you can consume content differently than, you know, all the other typical phones offer. So right now, you can't see it through camera, but it's got that 3D effect going
Looks like a
right
3DS.
now. It does look like the 3DS. Yeah, it looks very much like that. But yeah, there's gonna be a video on this soon. We'll talk about this a little bit more. All right, so that's red hydrogen. Now I'm gonna go for something I know. This is from Colorware, and this is extremely special, guys. All right, so in here, we have some AirPods. These ain't just any AirPods, y'all. These are very, very special, like I said. And for those of you who don't know who Colorware is or who they are, they customize tech, paint them, add special colors to it and logos even. And here we have the very first. Oh, dang, they like wrapped this up all the way. Hold on. Give me a second, guys. But here we have the first ever UAC AirPods with the new logo.
That looks so good.
So we are changing the logo on the channel. We are changing it to this one. This is a teal, gray, and I guess darker gray color scheme. And I'm kind of letting go of the orange. Orange is cool, but you know. You're gonna miss it?
I really like the orange.
Well, I like this a bit more. But it's so cool that Colorware was able to actually put that on here. And this thing looks awesome. Oh, look at inside. So we went with a two-toned AirPod look. So we got like a gray and the darker gray to go with the theme of the new logo. And so mine is in gloss. They can do it in matte, all these different colors. You guys can check out Colorware's website. They've got so many options. But this is not the only thing that they sent over. We got some other stuff too.
Oh wow, this is like, it's not a sticker.
No, that's not a sticker.
Like, there's no difference between this and the black part.
Nah, they paint it on.
Holy crap.
That is legit. We got another Switch, y'all. But have you seen one that looks like this? This right here is the 16-bit version. And I might have shown you guys these Joy-Cons in the past, but I haven't shown you the entire Switch with them. So these are the Joy-Cons. They look absolutely awesome, but the Switch matches so perfectly. And man, Colorware, I'm telling you guys, every time Colorware sends me something, they just blow my mind because it looks so good. Tell me that doesn't look awesome. But this is the entire box, so that means that they also do the case. Now this is not the case, this is actually the dock. And like Ari said before, this thing is painted on so it is smooth. It feels like it came right from Nintendo like this. Bam. Come on, y'all. This looks amazing. So if you love the retro look, you're gonna love this too. I'll of course have links to this down below in the description, but Colorware and I are teaming up to give one of these away to one of you guys. And all you have to do is follow us over on Instagram to enter. I'll have a post to that down below in the description so you guys can get your chance to win a 16-bit Colorware retro Nintendo Switch. And just so you know, they do the little handles too, so the entire thing is colored. The attention to detail, guys, is next level. So this is from SteelSeries. All right. So right here we have the SteelSeries Rival 650 wireless. Now I've featured this mouse on the channel before, but the wired version. And when I saw that they had the wireless version, I went nuts, had to get my hands on them. And my goodness, I am very excited to use these. This is such a good looking mouse, guys. Now, when I got this in hand, I badly wanted it to be wireless. So to see that they actually made one that is, has me super excited. Not only is the design very clean, but it of course has the RGB lights that I love. And not to mention, you can also change the feel of the mouse after you use it. So you can go ahead and pop these parts off and add little weights right here. And also on the other side, you can even it out. So I'm very happy to see that this is a wireless option now. So thank you SteelSeries for sending this to me. Had to get my hands on this.
You love SteelSeries stuff.
No, SteelSeries is awesome. Well, all right.
Oh, Anna wants to choose.
Okay. All right, Anna, choose next. So my sister-in-law wants to choose something. Go ahead.
She said she wants to do this one.
That one?
Yeah, let's go with a good one.
All right, Anna. This is your chance. This is a weird box. Metro Exodus? Oh, it's for the Xbox One. Xbox! What's up, baby? It's been a while. All right, so we got something from Xbox. For instance, this is Metro Exodus. Of course, we got a nice little string. Hold up. Okay, so it's like some kind of kit. Okay. So it's a gas mask.
You need that in the morning, bro. I'm just kidding.
For you? No. Yeah, it's to protect against you. Yeah. See how that backfired? Please do not try to use gas masks for display only. In your faces. Holy mess, this looks like it's been through it. Look at that. All right, so you got a little satchel for your gas mask to go into the world of Metro Exodus. The dear zombies, man. The zombie apocalypse is right there. This is dope. Oh, it came out on the 15th. Nice. All right, thanks, Xbox. Glad to have you back. Antlion Audio. So I have heard of Antlion Audio before, and this is the ModMike wireless. And basically what you're gonna be able to do here is get a good quality microphone on any pair of headphones that you own. So if you own a pair of over-ear headphones, you can pretty much just attach this to it and get really clear audio. And it's wireless, so you can pretty much attach this to any headset and you don't have to worry about needing to plug it in some crazy way. You just attach it to the side of any headphone and you'll be able to use this as you'd like. So thank you, Antlion, for sending this out. BagSmart, interesting. So it's a backpack. So BagSmart is a brand that I've been using a lot for my tech survival kit bags. And they make some really solid accessory bags or cases. Oh, it's a Nintendo Switch case. Interesting, all right. So this holds your Switch and it of course holds a few games. And is this like a built-in stand? And you got a little zipper area over here to store other accessories. Cool. And they got a backpack. Now this I'm interested in. Okay, got a nice handwritten note from the people at BagSmart. Interesting, this is a cool bag. Oh man, this thing goes crazy deep. So I guess this is how you close it. You do this and feels like work. I still need to figure out how this thing works. I need to figure that out. All right, cool. Thanks, BagSmart, for sending this out. I will figure out how to use it when I'm done with the video. Oh, yes. All right. So this is from Satechi. This is their 75-watt dual USB PD charger. Usually, when you see USB PD on a charger, there's only one port that allows it, but this one has two, and you need that USB PD port if you want to fast charge an iPhone or power a powerful laptop. This is gonna give you enough juice to actually do that. And you still have two USB ports. So this is something that I know I'm gonna be taking around with me always. Now I'm curious, how many of you guys using an iPhone 8 or something newer are taking advantage of the fast charging? I wanna know because this thing is a game changer and I feel like a lot of people sleep on that. XRound. So this is the X pump. Brings your speakers and headphones alive. What does that even mean? So this is like an audio interface. So, oh, it has a DAC. So this is a DAC. So this right here is a portable DAC with a surround algorithm, Ari, is that what you said?
That's what it says. Yeah, it can turn any sound sources into a surround effect.
So you get surround, so basically you get surround sound with anything that you plug in.
Yeah, and they have it plugged into a Switch, PS Vita.
So this could take the gaming up to another level. I'm gonna have to try this out. This is the XRound. Interesting. I'll of course have them linked down below in the description. And if you guys wanna hear my thoughts on how it actually impacts music and games, let me know with a like button. Just trying to get them to hit the like button. Gale shot. Oh, cases for your AirPod cases.
Oh, that one has wireless charging, right? No.
AirPod wireless charging case. Oh, so these can make, okay, so you put your AirPods in these and they'll wirelessly charge them. So this is the green one. You guys can see inside, it has a lightning connector. All right, so I'm gonna put in the new AirPods right inside of here. And then boom. All right, so it's inside. Open them up. Oh, there we go. Now it's charging. I guess if you have like a really big wireless charging mat, you can do that. Wait, what the heck? Oh, is this? Guys, check this out. We got Dragon Ball Z figures for days over here. And I think this is from Bandai. So Bandai sent me something for the first time, which I'm very, very excited about. And holy mess. Oh snap, they sent me a nice little care package. I wish I opened up this first. So we got Tales of Vesperia for the Nintendo Switch and the PS4. We got a Logitech G703 mouse and some Dragon Ball Z figures. I'm guessing these are like, sort of like model kits? Let's open it up. We got Vegito over here, and yes, I'm saying Vegito. I don't care what anybody has to say. So this is just like my Gundam model kits. Holy mess. This is awesome. Is this a spoiler? I haven't seen the movie yet, but this is so awesome. Now, Tales of Vesperia, this was the first Tales game that I ever played, and it is a nice long adventure. I enjoyed this one a ton. I played it on the Xbox 360. I spent tons of hours playing this in college. Thanks, Bandai. Very, very, very happy over here. Now, if you guys ever need any Gundam stuff shown on the channel, no, I'm just playing. No, I'm not. Why do I feel like these are gonna be like iPad cases? Oh, so this is a wireless charging mouse pad. Oh, that's kind of cool. So there's a wireless charger built right into this mouse pad. I had something like that with the, I think it was a Corsair mouse pad. Oh, this is clean. Check this out. So this is the mouse pad. And right here, I guess, is where you can charge things. Now this is a very clean look. Look at the back too. It feels like it. And then you have the charging cable over here, USB Type-C, so that's nice. So you can just plug this in, and then you plug it up. This is really cool. So we've got black, midnight blue, and gray. And so far, this looks really, really good. Surprisingly, random but very nice mouse pad. Oh, System G. Now they make awesome backpacks, and they sent me over their latest. Ooh, the System G backpack in all black. Let's go. Dang, that thing is clean. Now, I don't know if you guys saw the video that I did on this backpack or one of their backpacks, but I felt like it was the ultimate backpack, but it's just a little bit on the large side. But man, when it comes to quality, look at this. Look at the materials that this thing is made out of, guys. It is just absolutely amazing. Honestly, I'm not even exaggerating here, guys. It's second to none. Like, this is the best feeling backpack that I've ever used. This is just so, so nice. The quality here is insane. Yeah, this is the same backpack that I showed in the past, but it's a different color. And I think this is the 17-inch version. So if you have a 17-inch laptop, it'll be able to fit this in no problem. I'll have them linked down below in the description. But this is such a nice quality backpack, man. That new backpack smell. All right, last one, guys. Let's hope that this isn't a dud. What is this? I don't even, there's a USB port. This is like a science project. Oh, I think this is supposed to be a speaker of some sort. An LED speaker. Well, that about wraps up for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Huge shout out to everyone who sent something over. Lots of cool stuff. Huge shout out to Bandai, Microsoft, everybody. But I'll catch you guys in the next one. If you enjoyed it, be the cool guy or girl that gives the video a thumbs up. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.